So, hello, my name is Nazwan Adwa Nabilah. So, now to present, I will share what I learned about teaching English to young learners. What works, so, something, they, what, why, what we can make it learning fun and meaningful for them. So, first is principle of teaching English of young learners. First is implicit learning. Kids learn naturally, like how they learn their first language to play, not grammar rules. Second is contextual learning. Teach words in real situations like colors with crayons and or put words during snack time. Meaningful learning. If a kid feels something, they will remember it feel better because emotion will helping memory feel because memory will always remember notes. Learner-centered is let the kids talk, move, and explore. The teacher becomes a guide, not not just to not just to be on not just only speaker. Teaching skill for young learners is productive skills to, to increasing their speaking and writing. Receptive skills to increasing their listening and reading. So is steps in teaching the fourth skills is listening. Show them picture and ask what do you think about this. Show them zebra, I mean lion. What is what is lion do? This is in picture. Doing play an audio. So play on audio, like um, uh, play audio, something lion. It talk with mouse to share with their foods. After and act out or draw what they heard. So so um let's make them draw what they heard, what heard like that. After that, reading. Look at before that. Look at cover and guess the story. So the so we have to look at the cover and young learners have to look at the cover and guess the story is something something what this is picture lion. Picture lion is make it dinner. So this is a story about um, lion making dinner. doing Doing that, doing reading is with. So um, uh, um, young learners have to read slowly, has to read slowly. They has to read slowly. And after that, retell the story with picture. So they have to retell the story with a picture what what they what they read. Speaking, like a use will object or the flashcard. So we have to object well, or this flashcard is like um what a lion is, what is a lion do. So like that. Mini dialogues. So what? So in the flashcard is what is this? This is a cat. Do role play. Now this is do role play. we are doing in this, like doing in the zoo, to be god zoo, to be god animal, like that. Writing. So you have to start with tracing letters. Second is write labels for drawing. And third, make a short sentence with a picture, like I see a cat. Approaches, approach methods and technique. Approach is is communication. Communication is is a big real thing. To talk, make them feel connected with them, to make meaningful with them, to make bond with them, make it expressive. Methods, how to deliver it. Podcast method is total physical response, is kids respond with their bodies. Presentation, practice, production is a show, practice, and let them try. The techniques is small tool used like a flashcard. Song gives and stories. The songs is teach vocab with movement like head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes, like that. Games. Games is like uh, memory cards, like that. Stories. To use picture books. And to stop and ask a question while reading, and let them predict the ending. The class example start with story animals. Something like, what is this? It's a lion. Sing, roll like a lion song, and make animal song wisdom. Wow, like that. And say, we are say raw and the lion, and a lion in doing raw. With short story like dear lion. Let the kids act like lion. And we have the mimic and lion and something dog and lion, like that. For writing, they draw and label. So writing this something example is this is lion. Conclusion, um, in above, don't over focus on grammar but experience. If you over focus in grammar, that will make them stressing, like that. Always think like a child. We have to something like Teyl, their mind, they ache because they what? Because they this this is how this is how teacher must do to teaching young learners. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.